In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Dumpweed by Blink-182 off of their album Enema of the State. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Blink-182 was your favorite pop punk band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning. Let's take a look at that intro riff. So the intro riff will sound like this. So what we're gonna do there is hit the open E string first, then 2 quick hits on the 6th fret of the 4th string. So we have, then we hammer on 7th fret and then pull off back to 6. Then we'll reach over with the middle finger to the 7th fret of the E string. So we have, then we hit the open A string. Then we reach down to the 9th fret of the A string. Then open A string again, and then we start to repeat. So altogether, that little phrase is, then we start to repeat. Okay, and then the second time through there, we just stop 9th fret of the A string. So altogether so far, so now we're going to go through the same pattern, but instead of hitting the open E string, we're going to hit the open A string first instead. So now it'll sound like this. And then to finish, we reach up 9th fret of the 4th string, 7th fret of the 6th string, and then 9th fret of the 5th string. So all together, slowly. Now at this point, we kick into what could be considered the main riff of the song. So we're gonna come up here on the neck and we're gonna play this part. So just like the intro, we're playing individual notes. And we're going to start 4th fret of the 1st string, pull off to open 1st string, and then pick open 2nd string. Then we play open 1st string, and then 4th fret, pull off again, and then open 2nd string again. So it sounds like this all together. Same pattern down on the 2nd fret of the 1st string now. Back up to the 4th. And then up to the 5th fret. And then it repeats. And in this part, I down pick everything. So it's going to be a little bit quick up to tempo, but let's play it. And then we kick into the verse. The verse part's just going to be palm muted power chords. So we'll play the first hit open, and then we'll go right into palm muting. So it's okay, so I'm just alternating between this E power chord that's open 6th string and a B power chord that's 2nd fret 5th string, and just down picking palm muted 8th notes. Okay, now on that B, we just hit it 5 times and then rest, and then back to the E. Okay, and then we go, instead of the E power chord, now we play the A power chord, so that's open 5th string now, and then back over to that B. So all together, that verse part. And repeat. And then we kick back into that intro riff. And now we're into the chorus, and the chorus is the same chords used in the verse, but now we're letting the chords ring open. So we'll play this. Okay, so it's just the same chords. E power chord first. I'm alternate picking now and playing 8th notes. Then to the B power chord, 2nd fret 5th string. Okay, and if you notice, now I'm using a 3-finger power chord, so in the verse, I'm just using these 2 strings, but now in the chorus, I'm including 4th fret of the 3rd string, so now it's a 3-string power chord. So again, that chorus, then down to A, and back up to B. Okay, and we just hit that twice at the end of the chorus, and then we go back into that main riff. And then we play a second verse. So the second verse is exactly like the first. It's just half as long. So at that point, we kick right back into that intro riff. And then into a second chorus. Same as the first. Now you'll notice a difference there. We play quick 16th notes there. And then after those quick 16th notes, we play the chorus a second time. So this chorus is twice as long as the first. So it's the second time through this chorus. And then we'll kick back into this verse part. So we'll start playing these palm muted power chords again. There's no vocals here yet. The vocals kick in here. Now at this point we enter the outro, And the outro guitar is very similar to the main riff, but it's not exactly the same. So it'll sound like this. Okay, so that main riff is, and now what we're doing is just, okay, and an additional thing here is that this part is kind of palm muted, so it'll sound more like this. So we're really just skipping that extra hit from the main riff. And when I say extra hit, the main riff is, here we're just going. So instead of hitting that 4th fret the second time, we're skipping over that and just going. Okay, so hopefully you can see the difference there. Okay, and kind of palm mute it. Down to 2nd fret, up to 4th, 5th, 4th, 2nd, 4th, 5th. Now at this point we go open, 2nd, slide up to 4th, pull off, and then repeat the same pattern. And then we end by letting 1st and 2nd string ring open. Was Blink the best pop punk band of all time? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.